Can you change the language in the Yelp app? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to switch the Yelp app to a different language, let's check if that's possible and what your options are right now. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here you might think that there is language option inside the app settings. So here you just need to tap on the three dash icon, and after that simply scroll down and tap on settings. And here inside the settings, if you are looking for a language or a app language option, well, Yelp currently doesn't support or provide an option to change the app language within its own settings. And here Yelp will usually follow your device default language settings. So here if you want Yelp in different language, you can try changing your phone's or tablet system language. And here once you are inside the settings and you have changed your language, the app might automatically follow the device preferred language. So while you can't change Yelp language inside the app, adjusting your device language is the best way to get the experience that you want. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.